Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is a short tutorial where I'll be showing you how to do the easiest 5-minute hairstyle ever that will save you from any bad hair day. So let's get right into it. First thing you want to do is cut out a front section of your hair and put the back section in a bun just to keep it away from everything that we're going to be doing. Now with the front section, I'm going to put in a middle part and then put one of the halves aside. With the second half, I'm going to split it in two and put another section aside so that I have one section to work with. Next, I'm taking my spray bottle filled with water and I'm going to spray that all over the section that I have to work with. Then I'm going to work the water in just to moisturize it a little bit, and then we're going to begin to install flat twists in that section. So you guys know I love flat twists. I live for flat twist hairstyles. So what you're basically doing is that you have 2 legs of hair as opposed to the 3 legs of hair that you need for a regular cornrow, and then you're taking each leg over and under the other leg and gathering hair as you go, and that's it. So I'm going to do the same thing for the other section. Once that's done, I'm going to do the exact same thing on the other side, and then we move to the back section. So I'm taking the hair out of the makeshift bun that I put it in, and then I'm going to spray some water all over it because my hair is dry and crusty and we don't like that. Now I'm taking my bristle brush and brushing all of my hair upwards to smooth out any bumps and knots, and then I'm going to gather all of my hair on top of my head and secure it with an elastic band, and that is it. I'm going to go on to spray some water just so my curls can, pop a little bit. And now I'm taking bobby pins and I'm going to secure the ends of the flat twist at the back of my head, and that's it. I'm spraying some more water so my curls can come out and play, and that is it. We have a really fantastic, beautiful hairstyle that can take you from 0 to hero. I don't know what that is, but another thing you can do is change the position of your puff. So here you see me taking down the flat twist and removing my bun so I can put it at the back of my head in a low bun. Secure the ends of your flat twists, and that is it, guys. That is all you need to do for this super cute, super easy hairstyle. Let me know which one you prefer, the one with the low puff or the one with the high puff on top of my head. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel, please. Let's get me to 500 subscribers. Share with your family and friends, and I will see you in my next video. Adios.